Vital Impacts is a women-led non-profit organization founded by Ami Vitale, a National Geographic photographer, and Eileen Mignoni, a journalist. Vital Impacts uses art and storytelling to support people and organizations who are protecting people, wildlife, habitats, and the storytellers who share their stories. The third year in a row, the Festival of Ethical Photography is incredibly honored to collaborate with this organization whose goal is continuing to support the storytellers that in every corner of the planet try to share the stories of conservation and preservation of nature. The Nature of Hope is an exhibit where we celebrate the extraordinary life and legacy of Jane Goodall, a famous ethologist whose work really had an impact in the world of conservation. In this exhibit, we are not only recognizing the words of Dr. Goodall, but we are also celebrating 90 renowned female photojournalists and documentary photographers who have tried to tell us the beauty of the planet and how it's important to preserve it for the future generations. For the first time in Italy, you can find in this exhibit path a selection of these 90 photographs. Join us on this journey to discover the world and most of all the efforts that many human beings are doing all over the world in order to protect the environment.